Hey everyone, welcome to our industry hot topic segment here on Car Club, where I'm empowering myself to become the best car owner I can be. Today we're diving deep into the world of turbochargers, commonly known as turbos. Now these machines are nothing new and nothing short of exceptional. Did you know they were used in aircraft engines all the way back in World War II? And before that, they were initially used to help move ships across the seas. Today, they've transformed the automotive landscape and they help deliver a punch for an effective drive in our cars. To help us further understand these machines, I'm joined by Ivan from Mr. Turbo, and he's going to shed some light on these incredible pieces of engineering. How are you today, Ivan?
Very well, and you?
Perfect. Ivan, I'm assuming what we have in front of us here is the infamous turbocharger that we see in our cars. So I'm assuming people at home probably know what exactly this turbocharger does in their car, but I, for one, don't. I'm a brand new car owner, so I would love it if you could please show me a thing or two of what we're dealing with here.
All right, so what we got here is a performance turbocharger, which you wouldn't find this in any vehicle. This is what hooligans would fit in their cars to go fast. But principle is exactly the same, the way they all operate. So just to give you an idea, so exhaust gases from your engine, your hot side, would actually go through a turbocharger before they go out the exhaust part, and then they will spin this wheel here. In turn, this will turn the compressor wheel. This is called the compressor wheel. So what it will do, it will compress the air and pressurize the air and actually force additional air into your engine.
So I've currently got a small engine in my small car, and I'm hoping to enlarge my car collection as I get older, hopefully get a bigger car. So what I want to know from you, Ivan, is what actually contributes to perhaps my turbo not working? Like what happens that causes the turbocharger to fail eventually and you have to replace it, perhaps?
So there are many reasons why turbocharger would actually fail, and starting off from lubrication. So if your vehicle or your engine oil is old, turbocharger won't get lubricated correctly. Also, it will fail. Also, if the oil is old, it will clog up the, we call it turbo feed lines. It's an oil line that feeds the oil into a turbo. It gets blocked. Again, turbocharger will fail for that.
Even when I hear turbo, I've now been taught to think engine, and so if there's something wrong with my turbo, I'm going to think it's a very expensive fixing that I have to go about. But could that perhaps be a misconception? Is the turbo actually that expensive to go about fixing?
Turbocharger would be expensive if you buy them from the actual dealerships. You can always buy turbochargers for a lot less if you buy them from companies like a Goldwagon.
So emissions is a very interesting topic. So as far as I know, electric cars are also part of the Going Green initiative that we're heading with cars. So I'm assuming, let me not assume, let me just ask you. So do electric cars also have turbochargers, or is it mainly?
No, so electric cars obviously work with your battery, nowadays lithium battery and a couple of motors and so on. And they will require no internal combustion engine. So there's no fuel, petrol, diesel, any of that used in electric cars. So turbocharger really provides extra air for the engine. They call it the internal combustion engine. So electric cars, no, but there are many hybrid cars nowadays, which have a small little engine with a turbocharger and electric motors to help.
Okay. Ivan, your valuable information today, I have to thank you so much for that. You've been a huge help today.
My pleasure.
Well, there you have it. I hope you've all seen how important this powerhouse is and how it's also important to keep up with your car's maintenance, because the water and the oil, all of that plays a crucial role in keeping your turbo going on so that you can keep on driving.